welcome back to Vlogmas. So today we are going to be decorating the rest of the house for Christmas. So I am in my comfy clothes. I've got on this really cozy hoodie from H&M. It's actually this material all inside. I'll move my phone. It's got a really fluffy hood and it's just so soft. I've got on this black crop top from Primark, and then I've just got on my black Fabletics leggings. So it is currently 11:30. My mum and dad have just been out to buy a real tree. We don't tend to have a real tree in our lounge because we had one year and it just died. I don't know whether our lounge was too hot and too dark and it just died, but we have had one in our kitchen for the last couple years and it has managed to survive in there. So my mum and dad just got a 5-foot tree. I have put one decoration up in the house because it was my tree, and because I bought a new tree for my own bedroom this year, I just thought this is the perfect place for it to go. There's not really enough light, so it's a bit bare, but hey ho. So the tree will be going over here. My dad's just sawing it, I think. It's getting done out here. Here's my little bonbon. Hey bonbon. Got these baubles for my room, but I didn't use them, so I thought they could be used in the kitchen. God, that light didn't do anything. We picked up this bauble yesterday from B&M, which is quite cute. And then I have these baubles which I had bought, which I didn't use all of these. I also had like a nicer one that I hadn't used, and then these were just really cheap ones that I didn't use all of as well. So yeah, they haven't brought in the decorations yet, but I'm really excited for that. I thought it'd be nice to get a little treat, so I picked up from a little small thingy called Sweet Things by Amy, and I got this really, hopefully yummy, vegan white chocolate chunk brownie. Sorry, the lighting is so bad. And I just thought that would be nice to eat while we are putting up the decorations. Gracie is upstairs, and soon we can get decorating. We had a few issues. It's pretty straight now, but it was bending literally like this. So we've had to chop so much off the bottom to make it straight, but it's a really nice tree, I think, without that. So yeah, really pleased with this. Mum and dad have just gone outside into the garage. We tucked into the brownie. It's really, really good. It's super rich. So we couldn't all finish our slices. Oh, here comes mother. Are you filming me? I'm mid-filming.
Oh, don't film me. I haven't done my hair and I haven't...
You look fine. God, that wreath is so pretty. Did we use that last year?
I don't know, we only used one, but this year we're using two because we're putting one on the gate.
Ah. So I didn't get copyrighted doing a voiceover, but we had laid all of the baubles out on the floor, ready, so it's just easy to just like grab and go, which, oh my god, I just love the baubles. We were watching After Christmas. We don't usually watch a film, but I was like, I'm in the mood for a Christmas film, and my mum and my dad popped the lights up on the tree, then we could get decorating. So we've pretty much finished up the lounge now. We're just like kind of clearing stuff away. We've put up all the tinsel and the lights and stuff. I'll show you properly later. We also need to do the kitchen and the hall and all of that stuff, which is exciting. So we've got all the boxes and everything for the kitchen. We've got a few bits up already, like all the windowsill stuff here and over there, and a few bits on this windowsill too. I think we're doing coloured lights on this tree, Mum's hoovering, so you probably can't hear that well. But I've laid out the baubles that I think I'm going to use on this tree for the kitchen. So we've got these ones that I bought, which I never used, and then like reds. So I feel like red and white is a cute theme. And then just a few like snowflakes and these, which I love. But yeah, me and Mum need to put the lights on first, which hopefully will go okay and we have the right amount. I love a real tree, I just think it looks so nice. Is it really Christmas if you don't smash a bauble? Okay, so the tree is done. I think it looks super cute. As I said, usually I would prefer white lights, but I think because it's such a simple colour scheme, like red and white, I think the coloured lights actually go really well and just like add a little bit more to it. And not everyone is a huge fan of these gold bits, but I think it's really cute, especially as it's our like little kitchen tree. I feel like we've gone all out again on decorations and no one can even see them. Because usually we'd obviously have like friends come round, family come round, but we're not allowed. At some point when it's cleared up a bit, I would do like a full-on tour. But basically the whole house is pretty much done. Gracie's done the stairs and put lights all around the stairs. We decided not to do tinsel this year because we usually do like tinsel and lights, but the tinsel melts onto the paintwork and ruins it. So we didn't do that this year.
Can't breathe without your